Good morning, ma'am. Myself V. Rajeshwari. I am from 3rd Biochemistry. Today my seminar topic is immunohematology. Objectives of immunohematology. Overview of immunohematology, principle of antigens and antibodies, the ABO blood group system, hemolytic disease, cross-matching. Overview of immunohematology. What is immunohematology? Immunohematology is commonly known as blood grouping, blood banking. It studies antigen-antibody reactions, pathogenesis, and clinical manifestation, blood disorders. It involves blood typing, cross-matching, and antibody identification and transfusion therapy. Immunohematology is one of the specialized branches of medical science. Principle of antigen and antibodies. Antigen is a substance which stimulates antibody production when introduced into an individual. Antibodies are mainly proteins produced in response to stimulation by a foreign antigen capable of reacting specifically with that antigen. There are 5 major classes of immunoglobulins. There are IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, IgD. Each is unique and it has own characteristics. Blood group antibodies are almost exclusively IgG, IgM, IgA. Types of antibodies. Types of antibodies are 2 types. There are natural immune. Naturally, red blood cells antibodies in the serum of an individual that are not provided by previous red cell sensitization. Immune. There are antibodies evoked by previous antigen stimulation either by transfusion of pregnancy. The ABO system. A person ABO blood group depends on the antigen present on the red blood cells. Individual who express A antigen on their red cells belongs to a group A. Individuals who express the B antigen on their red cells belongs to a B group. The ABO system continued. Individuals that lack both the A and B antigen on their red cells, that is, their red cells showed no agglutination either with the anti-A and anti-B, belongs to O group. Individuals who express A and B antigens on their red cells, that is, their red cells show agglutination with both A and B antigens, belong to AB. The distribution of ABO blood group system differ for various population. Hemolytic diseases. Autoimmune hemolytic anemia is a group of rare but serious blood disorder. It is brought through the interaction of red cells and antibodies, where the body destroys red cells more than it is produced. Hemolytic disease of the newborn, also known as erythroblast fetalis, results from blood group incompatibility in which maternal antibodies destruct fetal red cells. This can occur due to Rh blood group incompatibility or ABO blood group system. ABO blood group system continue. Individuals that lack of both A and B antigen on their red cells is their red cells show agglutination there with anti-A and anti belongs to O group. This distribution of ABO blood groups differ from various populations. Hemolytic diseases. Autoimmune hemolytic anemia is a group rare but serious blood disorder. It is brought through the interaction of red cells and auto antibodies, where the bodies destroy red cells more than it is produced. Cross-matching, also known as compatibility testing. It is a procedure performed before transfusion of selected donor's blood that will not cause any adverse reaction like hemolysis or agglutination of recipient. Major cross-matching includes mixing recipient's serum with the donor's blood. Minor cross-matching involves the mixing donor serum with the patient's red cells, it is usually thought that any antibody in the donor serum will be usually thought that any antibodies in the donors cause relatively less than problem and is called cross matching. Donation of blood. Donors are selected the criteria such as age, hemoglobin, weight, pregnancy test, medication, infection diseases. Thank you, ma'am.